Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Corsair new Vengeance Gaming PC powered by GeForce RTX 50 series. So friend, Corsair has announced new edition of its celebrated Vengeance Gaming PC featuring NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series graphics card paired with Intel Core Ultra and AMD Ryzen 9000 series processor and powered by NVIDIA Blackwell. The GeForce RTX 50 series GPU bring game-changing capabilities to gamers and creators and equipped with massive level of AI horsepower, and the RTX 50 series enable new experience and next-level graphics fidelity with full ray tracing, further reduce latency with Reflex 2 technology, multiple performance with NVIDIA DLSS and generate images at unparalleled speed and unleash your creativity with NVIDIA Studio. So friend, it's deliver high performance, ultra quiet cooling with optional thermal performance and dynamic RGB lighting, push your system to new height with the latest DDR5 memory and offering faster frequency, greater capabilities and better performance. Built-in full range of high performance case 2500X, 3500X and 5000T. The Vegas PC are designed to deliver exceptional airflow and cooling, and the system are equipped with cutting-edge fan featuring Corsair AirGuide technology for optimized airflow and magnetic dome bearing that ensure quiet operation and long-lasting performance, ideal for high-performance visually streaking pre-built PC. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.